Okay, so hi DVVI team. I'd like to thank you for partnering with the Anix Building System and Agla Building Contractors in delivering this project. I would like to introduce you to what we call the Anix Remote Project Surveillance, or ARPS, or ARPS in short. This is our take on using technology in construction to update our clients and to keep them informed and promoting transparency throughout the whole construction phase of the project. So basically, the Anix Building System is a custom-built platform that offers project planning, estimating, procurement, management, and reporting, both to us as a contractor and to you as a client. And the ARPS, or Anix Remote Project Surveillance Technology, offers an in-depth visual analysis from different perspectives to you as a client to be able to track the project, and this we believe that will be able to help uh, to make proactive decisions concerning the project, or even when other issues arise, maybe pertaining to quality of the works, or even pertaining to delay in the works, as all this is tracked using our artificial intelligence algorithms on our Anix Building System platform. So now, without much further talk, let me show you how these emails will be coming and explain how you can translate this data to keep yourself informed throughout the project phases. So once the email is sent, you'll be able to get an email similar to the one that we've just opened. As you can see, it comes with heading and the title of the project and the actual date that that report has been sent. Now, this highlighted text is static. It will always come like that, similar to these below texts. The only thing that's dynamic as we send these updates, and which is important, is the first line, which gives you a text overview of the actual project of the actual overview of the progress of the whole project, which currently it's at 9%. And then there's another line which gives you a link where you can go directly to our websites to view the progress of the project in pictures. And below is the password to be able to view that specific website. So if you were to click that link, it will direct you directly to our website, and after it loads, you are able to put in the actual password that comes with the email. In this case, it's DVVI Malawi. Once you submit the password and our system authenticates it, you are able now to go inside your live project updates. As you can see, this is the actual preliminary week. So this is the works that have been done over the course of this week as we're mobilizing. You can see some of the concrete blocks that are supposed to be used for the foundations, and the foundations are being actually excavated. There is also the quarry, which was delivered about a week ago, and that's one of our transports delivering the river sand for the works. So as we continue with the project, we'll be updating. So next week's updates should come on week one update. This should complement the actual updates that come with the system, the actual information. Now there is one particular aspect as well to these reports. Every report will be sent with an attachment. This is also to help you understand how our system is looking at the project and how we are tracking it, the challenges that we are meeting, so that you can probably even proactively be able to suggest or discuss with us as your development partner to see to it that the project is still delivered within spec and within the required time frame. Now, just a bit on this dashboard. This is the key element dashboard that gives us the overview of how the project is going. As you can see, there is the actual visual representation of the project progress, which is at 9%. There is the tentative project timeline, which shows that at least by 30 September, we expect it to kick off on the actual project, and that foundations are supposed to start at least by the 1st of October, and that superstructure is supposed to start at least by the 5th of October, and so on and so forth. This is just the actual tentative program that guides us to be able to track how the project is going and where the delays might be. You also see another element in the dashboard which shows the amount of tasks that have been completed. In this case, there is one which is completed and one which is in progress. There are 5 which are not yet started, which have a medium priority, as you can see with the color coding, and 4 which have also not been started, which are of high priority. Now, if you go down on this table, you actually see, for example, there is land and mobilization. As we are entering data into the system, and as the system is checking against the dates and the progress of the works, in case, say for example, if it was on the 1st of October, or rather the 3rd of October, yet the foundations are planning to be started by 1st October, and we have not yet started them in the system. This would switch on to say we are overdue to start, and it will keep reminding us of how many days that we are actually late in starting that particular phase. This way we are able to plan accordingly so that we can at least adjust even the other phases just so that we can still be able to deliver the project within the required time frame. The same happens with if a particular phase is not yet complete. It will also give us the same days, and you also see on the other side there is the actual percentage in completion of each particular phase. In this case, the land and mobilization, the works are done at 100%, and the procurement for that land and mobilization is also at 100%. While on the foundations, the actual works are at 25%, and the actual procurement percentage is at 50%. And this will continue being updated as we enter more data in the system as we go through the project, until we can snag and desnag, work on the defects and the like, until we are at 100% and have had delivered the project to you. So in a nutshell, that's what you should be expecting. At least every Fridays we'll be sending this type of updates, and you should be able to track the project using this. And if you have any suggestions or questions, please let us know, and we'll be very happy to elaborate further and probably modify some of the functions so that the whole idea around this particular technology can truly help us to manage our projects very effectively and efficiently. Once again, thank you so much for all the assistance that your team is rendering to us, and for trusting in the Anix building system and agro building contractors to deliver this project for you. Thank you.